Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some neuroscience advances trivia. Which brain imaging technique measures metabolic activity? A. X-ray imaging, or B. Positron emission tomography, or C. Functional MRI, or D. CT scan. The correct answer is B. Positron emission tomography. What process involves the strengthening of synapses? Synaptic plasticity, or B. Axon regeneration, or C. Neural signal loss, or D. Dendrite pruning. The correct answer is A. Synaptic plasticity. What term describes the brain's ability to reorganize itself? A. Neurogenesis, or B. Cognitive flexibility, or C. Brain damage, or D. Neuroplasticity. The correct answer is D. Neuroplasticity. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for memory? A. Hippocampus, or B. Thalamus, or C. Cerebellum, or D. Medulla oblongata. The correct answer is A. Hippocampus. Who is known for research on brain-computer interfaces? A. Stephen Hawking, or B. Elon Musk, or C. Albert Einstein, or D. Miguel Nicolelis. The correct answer is D. Miguel Nicolelis. Which disease is characterized by amyloid plaques? A. Huntington's disease, or B. Multiple sclerosis, or C. Alzheimer's disease, or D. Parkinson's disease. The correct answer is C. Alzheimer's disease. What is the main function of oligodendrocytes? A. Nutrient transport, or B. Signal amplification, or C. Myelination of neurons, or D. Cell regeneration. The correct answer is C. Myelination of neurons. Which brain structure is involved in emotional regulation? A. Amygdala, or B. Cerebellum, or C. Hippocampus, or D. Thalamus. The correct answer is A. Amygdala. Who discovered the role of synapses in communication? A. Santiago Ramon Hall, or B. Gregor Mendel, or C. Albert Einstein, or D. Charles Darwin. The correct answer is A. Santiago Ramon Hall. What advanced imaging method can visualize brain connections? A. MRI scan, or B. Diffusion tensor imaging, or C. CT scan, or D. X-ray imaging. The correct answer is B. Diffusion tensor imaging. What protein accumulates in Parkinson's disease? A. Prion protein, or B. Tautein, or C. Alpha-synuclein, or D. Beta-amyloid. The correct answer is C. Alpha-synuclein. What is the primary role of astrocytes? A. Regulate heart rate, or B. Transmit signals, or C. Produce hormones, or D. Support and nourishment. The correct answer is D. Support and nourishment. Which phenomenon indicates brain's adaptability during development? A. Neural death signaling, or B. Critical periods, or C. Sensory deprivation, or D. Neuroplasticity phases. The correct answer is B. Critical periods. Which ion is primarily involved in action potentials? A. Potassium, or B. Sodium, or C. Calcium, or D. Chloride. The correct answer is B. Sodium. What is the role of the cerebellum in movement? A. Spinal reflexes, or B. Muscle strength, or C. Coordination, or D. Balance maintenance. The correct answer is C. Coordination. Who is known for advocating mindfulness in neuroscience? A. Richard Davidson, or B. Antonio Damasio, or C. John Kabat-Zinn, or D. Daniel Siegel. The correct answer is C. John Kabat-Zinn. Which type of glial cell forms myelin in the peripheral nervous system? A. Oligodendrocytes, or B. Microglia, or C. Astrocytes, or D. Schwann cells. The correct answer is D. Schwann cells. What disease affects dopaminergic neurons in the brain? A. Multiple sclerosis, or B. Parkinson's disease, or C. Alzheimer's disease, or D. Huntington's disease. The correct answer is B. Parkinson's disease. Which area of the brain processes visual information? A. Cerebellum, or B. Frontal lobe, or C. Occipital lobe, or D. Temporal lobe. The correct answer is C. Occipital lobe. Who won the Nobel Prize for discoveries related to cellular signaling? A. Shinya Yamanaka, or B. Yoshinori Osumi, or C. Craig Venter, or D. James Watson. The correct answer is B. Yoshinori Osumi. What is the impact of cortisol on the brain? A. Decreased anxiety, or B. Stress response, or C. Memory enhancement, or D. Increased creativity. The correct answer is B. Stress response. Which neurotransmitter is primarily associated with mood regulation? A. GABA, or B. Dopamine, or C. Serotonin, or D. Adrenaline. The correct answer is C. Serotonin. What neuroimaging technique tracks blood flow in the brain? MRI, or B. EEG, or C. CT scan, or D. PET scan. The correct answer is A. Functional MRI. Who is known for work on the neural basis of memory? A. Albert Bandura, or B. Eric Kandel, or C. Andrew Huberman, or D. Carl Sagan. The correct answer is B. Eric Kandel. What system in the body is affected by chronic stress? A. Digestive system, or B. Nervous system, or C. Muscular system, or D. Endocrine system. The correct answer is D. Endocrine system. Which part of the brain is involved in decision making? A. Amygdala, or B. Cerebellum, or C. Medulla oblongata, or D. Prefrontal cortex. The correct answer is D. Prefrontal cortex. What is the main precursor to serotonin? A. Tyrosine, or B. Cysteine, or C. Glycine, or D. Tryptophan. The correct answer is D. Tryptophan. Which study method assesses brain function under various stimuli? A. Cognitive assessments, or B. Memory recall methods, or C. Behavioral tests, or D. Neuroimaging studies. The correct answer is D. Neuroimaging studies. What is the primary role of the thalamus? A. Hormone regulation, or B. Motor control, or C. Sensory relay, or D. Memory storage. The correct answer is C. Sensory relay. Which technique uses light to control neurons? A. Brain mapping, or B. Gene therapy, or C. Neurostimulation, or D. Optogenetics. The correct answer is D. Optogenetics. What psychological condition is often linked to trauma? A. Schizophrenia, or B. Bipolar disorder, or C. PTSD, or D. Anxiety disorder. The correct answer is C. What type of studies have advanced understanding of neurogenesis? A. Retrospective surveys, or B. Case studies, or C. Cross-sectional studies, or D. Longitudinal studies. The correct answer is D. Longitudinal studies. Which neurotransmitter is important for learning? A. Acetylcholine, or B. Serotonin, or C. GABA, or D. Dopamine. The correct answer is A. Acetylcholine. What illness is characterized by demyelination in the nervous system? A. Alzheimer's disease, or B. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or C. Parkinson's disease, or D. Multiple sclerosis. The correct answer is D. Multiple sclerosis. What type of imaging shows chemical composition of brain? A. Magnetic resonance spectroscopy, or B. CT scan, or C. PET scan, or D. X-ray. The correct answer is A. Magnetic resonance spectroscopy. Which cellular component is pivotal in neurotransmitter release? A. Synaptic vesicle, or B. Cell membrane, or C. Mitochondrion, or D. Neurofibril. The correct answer is A. Synaptic vesicle. What is the primary function of the basal ganglia? A. Motor control, or B. Language processing, or C. Emotion regulation, or D. Memory storage. The correct answer is A. Motor control. Who conducted pioneering work on brain plasticity? A. Santiago Ramon y Cajal, or B. Michael Merzenich, or C. Carl Rogers, or D. Ivan Pavlov. The correct answer is B. Michael Merzenich. What research area studies the impact of sleep on the brain? A. Sleep medicine, or B. Brain mapping, or C. Sleep neuroscience, or D. Cognitive psychology. The correct answer is C. Sleep neuroscience. What disorder is associated with deficits in executive function? A. Schizophrenia, or B. Anxiety disorder, or C. ADHD, or D. Autism spectrum. The correct answer is C. ADHD. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.